Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about the topic of response and reply. In this class, we also discuss about some examples of respond and respond reply. Let's start. You are Gaurav, Garima, social activist from from D19 Govindnagar, New Delhi. You have been invited by the Lions Club of your city. Lions Club of the of your city in the seminar on fundamental rights, fundamental rights of children. Respond the invitation in 50 words. Not accepting the invitation. In this way that you have any verbal input and you just try to reply of the invitation. You are invited by the Lions Club of your city. You are Gaurav Garima, social activist from D19 Govindnagar, New Delhi. You have been invited by the Lions Club as a chief guest in the seminar. The title of the seminar is Fundamental Rights of Children. Respond the invitation in 50 words. Let's start. First, address of the sender. D19 Govindnagar, New Delhi. Then date 14th July. Then again space the secretary, the Lions Club, New Delhi. Subject inability to accept the invitation. To accept the invitation. Sir, I am indeed thankful for inviting me in the seminar on on fundamental rights of children. I am, I feel honored and obliged. However, I shall not be able to accept the invitation shall not be able to accept the invitation due to some unavoidable circumstances. Thanking you once again for your kind invitation. Yours faithfully, Gaurav, social activist. In this way, the students try to attempt this respond and reply. Thanks and have a nice day.